Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Aqua City Odaiba is a large, complex shopping center located next to Odaiba Marine Park, which boasts a great location where you can see the center of Tokyo metropolis over the Statue of Liberty and the Rainbow Bridge. It is a shopping zone where about 60 stores gathered, including the shops dealing with casual fashion, which makes you feel a refreshing sea breeze. It has the largest gourmet zone in the coastal area, where a variety of restaurants are lined, including Japanese, Western, Chinese, and Italian dishes. In addition, on the upper floors, there is also a ramen shop food court, Tokyo Ramen Kakegikanmai, and a shrine, Aqua City Odaiba Shrine, which makes your 7 wishes come true. So regardless of nationality, gender, and age, it is a comfortable zone which you can enjoy all day long. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Welcome to Dex Tokyo Beach. Designed like a ship, a shopping center with a full lineup of indoor entertainment. With its open terrace, Odaiba's shopping center is set up like a ship's deck. As far as the eye can see, the interior decor reminds visitors of the inside of a ship. Have fun shopping and dining while strolling on the deck and feeling a comfortable sea breeze, just like taking a luxury cruise around Tokyo Bay. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Not only are there shops and restaurants inside, but you'll also find a complete selection of indoor entertainment to enjoy, such as Tokyo Joy Bliss, Madame Tussauds Tokyo, Lego and Discovery Center Tokyo, and Tokyo Trick Art Museum. Furthermore, the Odaiba Takoyaki Museum, which brings together popular takoyaki shops from Osaka, where takoyaki originated, and the Odaiba Ikum Shopping Street, which exudes a retro atmosphere, are popular among a wide range of generations, providing enjoyment throughout the day. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.